Hello everyone and welcome back to Food for Life. Today I'm sharing a delicious, crunchy, sweet recipe to make your taste buds dance. Whether you need a snack or a topping for your favorite dishes, this roasted nut mix perfectly combines flavors and textures. It's easy, it's quick, and it's oh so tasty. First, grab a cupcake baking pan and grease it with oil. Now, let's prep our nuts. For this recipe, we're using a cup of pistachios, a cup of almonds, a cup of pecans, and a cup of cashews. These 4 nuts offer a lovely balance of crunch and creaminess. We'll also add sesame and black seeds later, which give the mix an extra crunch and a slight earthiness that perfectly complements the sweet syrup we'll make. In a pan, throw all your nuts. Roast them all for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring so that the nuts don't get burned. I recommend using raw, unsalted nuts to absorb the syrup better without any extra salt. You'll know they're ready when the nuts turn golden brown and smell aromatic. This roasting process brings out the natural oils in the nuts, which will make them taste even more delicious once we coat them in syrup. Once the nuts are roasted, transfer them to a plate and let them cool down. Next, throw all the nuts in to a twist-tie plastic bag. Lightly crush the nuts like so. Now throw them back in to the plate and add your sesame seeds and black seeds. Mix them all using a spoon. Next, transfer the mixed nuts in to the cupcake baking pan. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome! For all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for staying tuned this far. Now it's time to prepare the syrup. On a medium heat in a pan, add about 1/4 cup of water, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Stir the mixture until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar is dissolved, allow the mixture to come to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the syrup thickens and starts to resemble the consistency of honey, shiny, slightly viscous, but not too thick. Now, pour the warm syrup over the nuts and seeds. Be sure to coat them evenly so every piece is covered in that delicious, sweet glaze. Here's a very important step: patience. Let the nut mixture sit for about 20 minutes. This gives the syrup time to set, and it'll harden slightly, creating a beautiful, sticky coating that adds both texture and flavor to every bite. Once that 20 minutes is up, take out the nuts candy from each cupcake mold like this. I will be honest here. It is better to use cupcake parchment paper or silicone molds for this, because I had really hard time taking out each candy but finally did it. Now, your nut mix is ready to enjoy. The result is a delightful combination of roasted nuts, a glossy syrup coating, and a perfect balance of salty, sweet, and tangy flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Food for Life for more delicious, easy-to-make recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you next time with more tasty ideas. Happy cooking!
Like and subscribe.